iPad, pencil case, strips, soap strips, wet tissue, my glasses, and oh, handy blast because you never know. No coffee.
Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
Yeah, picture photo. I'm gonna show you guys my haul of all the stuff that I got from Japan. The suitcase also, I wanted to get like a cabin suitcase for when I travel like back and forth from home, so that's it's easy for me to drag it all along. So I got this from Okobara. So pretty. So let me show you guys stuff I got from Nika. So first are these two K Beauty Kajal. This is actually from my mom. This is mom approved. This kajal is mom approved. It is non-smudge, like it's smudge proof. It is waterproof. The color is amazing. My mom wears kajal on a daily basis, so this is the first kajal she approved, like fully approved. So next I got this heat protectant from Streaks. Because recently I've been experimenting with my hair, like blow dry or like styling. I've been experimenting with styling, so I got this heat protectant for that. And I got this body wash from Dove, and I used it just now, and it smells really refreshing. Recharge, glow recharge, whatever it is, very refreshing. And then this, I wanted to try this for the longest time ever, this detan scrub, exfoliating body scrub. And surprisingly, I thought it would be like the scrub consistency just but it's actually dry razor. It's dry, and so you take a pinch of it and on wet skin and then you rub it. So that was something new. And I got this body and hair mist, and what intrigued me was it was body as well as hair mist, and it smells literally like petals. And I got this setting spray, and I wanted to show off my birthday gifts. I got my friend gave this to me, and these are enamel stickers. I'm like a freak for stickers. I love cute ass stickers, and these are freaking enamel stickers. Do you see this? It's coffee and it has a bow on the straw. What the fuck? And another one is matcha, strawberry matcha, and this also has a freaking bow. So cute. Stamp maker. I mean, how do people come up with these ideas? Okay, I'm like so amazed. It's very clocking. And another gift that I got. You know what? I don't know what these people are smoke, and I want to smoke the same thing they smoke, because what do you mean? What do you fucking mean that somebody got me a freaking junk journal kit? I didn't even know this existed, you know? I love that I have a trash journal, and I've started it like last year, almost like last year, but I'm not like consistent with it. I just do it whenever I feel like I want something interesting, I want something new, when I'm like bored and I want to do something creative, I do it. But what do you mean? There is a whole ass kit for it. The name is fucking junk journal kit. And then when you open it, first of all, packaging stunning, right? And then when you open it, I already opened it, you get a bunch of freaking stickers. Stickers that you'll use in journaling. I mean, just look at these, you know? And this is not just it. You get so many of these. You get cute ass backgrounds. You get like few drawers, lockers, I know. And you also get like food stuff for your car, stick.
One eternity later.
What is this? Whoever made this, I love you, and I want you to sponsor me. Like, you don't even have to sponsor me. I'll just buy it myself, you know? This is just so cute and so pretty that, you know, I will buy it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope everybody has a good day. If you're watching it during the daytime, I hope you have a good day. If you're watching it during nighttime, I hope you have a good night. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.